Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a chit chat get ready with me type of video. I have been MIA. I haven't been posting as much. I don't even think I sat down and filmed for about a month and a half. So now I'm finally sitting down. I want to do the chit chat get ready with me so that way I could let you know what's going on in my life. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep on watching. So I just primed my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm just going to be using the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. I believe I'm saying it right, but everything that I use on my face today will be listed down below, so don't worry, you could just check it out, and I'll actually make sure I have the time to put everything down below. So when the new year started, I told myself that I would be more consistent, and I was doing really good. In January, I was doing great with the posting dates. In February, I was doing it right as well. And then March came around. So if you do not know, I am a full-time student, and I started classes on March 1st. So I really thought that I would have it down packed, and I would be able to film and do school and all of that. But this semester has been really kicking my behind. Not only am I having 5 classes, but I also have to do field work for my education class, which means basically going to a school for about 7 hours a week and, helping the teacher out, learning, helping with the class and all of that. It has really been kicking my behind. I did find a part-time job on my campus, and that I'm not complaining about too much. That is only 7 hours a week, and it does help out because when it's not busy, I'm able to do homework. But I just have not had the time to film. Every single time I want to go film, even in the nighttime, I always think about all the assignments that I have to do, whether it's lesson plans, whether it's papers, and I just decide not to film. Now, I am off on Thursdays, so I thought I would have more time to film on Thursdays, and then that's when the appointments came in. One day I thought I was going to be able to film, and I went to the dentist, and I came back, and my mouth was just beat up. It hurted so bad, so I wasn't even able to film. Right now I am actually filming on a Thursday. Thursdays are my only off days, which hopefully they'll continue to be off. The only problem is because it's my only off day, I end up having to book all my appointments and my children's appointments on my off day, so it gets a little bit difficult. But today I decided to sit down in front of the camera and make some time because I really miss talking to you guys. I really miss filming. I really miss posting. I just really miss YouTube, period. Now, I have even been inconsistent when it comes to supporting my YouTube friends. Like, I'll try to watch their videos, but I have just literally been off of YouTube, period. Like, not even just posting, I mean literally not even on the YouTube app too much, which is not like me because I love YouTube. Though I have been busy and I haven't been able to post a lot, I just want you guys to know, like, I really do miss you guys. I wish I knew how to juggle being a mom, being a student, working, taking care of a household, and doing homework and doing YouTube. I wish I found a way to really juggle it. I feel like I'm juggling it the best way I possibly can. A lot of people always tell me that they don't know how I do it, with 3 kids and homework and school, and still try to make time for YouTube, and yet here I am slacking on the YouTube part. This is something I really want. I really want to do YouTube videos for you guys. I really want to see my watch time and my subscriber count go up. But it's so hard. It's not that I'm not posting because I don't want it. I want to work so hard. I really want to build my Instagram page where I post my makeup looks. It's just really hard. And I came to the conclusion that I'm not going to beat myself up over not having enough time. I'm trying the best I can, and if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, because at the end of the day, my education matters more and my family matters more. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Maybe one day I will get the time, hopefully, and if not, then that's okay. I'll do it when I can, and hopefully the subscribers that really truly like the content and like seeing me will stick around. But I do hope that I know how to balance things out in a way where me filming YouTube videos is not going to push me behind on work. That way, at the end of the semester, I'm not sitting there struggling on trying to finish all these papers and hand them in. Alright guys, so I did the rest of my eyes off camera because I knew if I was to do it on camera, then I would just keep on speaking and I would basically say everything that I needed to say right there while doing my eyes. I honestly did not do anything special. I just did a simple look. If my mascara looks a little bit clumpy, it's because I am using a new Essence Lash Princess mascara, and you know when you open these, they're just, it needs some air in there to actually work the best, but it's okay, it's not so bad. But we're going to get on with the face. Now, I honestly have been breaking out a lot, and my face is just disgusting. I think it's because of stress. So yes, don't mind. I'm not going to be putting foundation on my face. I am going to be putting on a BB cream, but I am going to go in with the Lumi Glotion. Now, I have not even worn makeup in a month. So if you see that I have not posted in a month, I honestly have not even worn makeup in about a month and a half neither. I did post a makeup look, but I only did one eye for that makeup look, so it's not like I have to, you know, do my whole face. And I haven't even had time to do a one eye makeup look with the picture, which is a bit crazy. But you know what? It happens. To be honest with you guys, it feels so great to be sitting down and filming for you guys again. Like, I missed you guys so much. I miss sitting down and talking with you guys. I miss watching your videos. I just miss it all. I was really doing great with sticking to my posting dates in January and even in February. So for me to just go MIA and not be able to film or to edit or to really let you guys know what's going on, it really put me in a negative spot, because it's like I seen my numbers growing. Now, I'm not saying I get 1,000 views on videos. I still don't get much views on it, but those little bit of views that I was getting when I was being consistent really made the numbers go up, and I finally started to see the tiny light at the end of the tunnel that was an eye-opener to basically tell me, like, you know, if you keep working this hard, you will be able to do it. You will be able to, you know, make your goal by the end of the year. And then school started. I am gonna have to go over and fix my eyebrow because I'm not feeling it. But you know, I seen the numbers start to grow, and even though it wasn't like major growth, it was numbers that, you know, the views was going up and everything was just going up, and the numbers just, it showed in the numbers to me. And it finally was like that little dot of light at the end of the tunnel that lets me know, like, by the end of the year I could reach my goal. Just keep working hard. So the fact that I was not able to really sit down and you know, put in work to see you guys or to film or to edit, it just really put me in a negative spot. It's not something that I'm saying that I'm giving up on. I get so down on myself. And I shouldn't even get down on myself because of the fact that I'm already doing so much. I'm already doing so much. I should be really proud that I'm even able to, like, sit down and at least make it to film. But my whole thing is that if I sat down and film only one day a week, I can at least try to film 3 different videos in that one sitting. Even if it has to do with the same makeup look, I can do a chatty video, I can do a makeup look video, and I could do anything else. So if I can just make one day to sit down and film for you guys, at least then I can possibly have 3 videos a week. Now, if my makeup looks a little bit funky, then don't mind me. It's just that I haven't been putting on makeup in so long, so your girl might be struggling right now. I might look at this and be like, oh, it looks so decent, and then go to film and be like, what the hell was going on with my face? But don't judge, okay? Don't judge. So I'm not going in with any concealer. I'm just going in with bronzer and blush, a little bit of blush and highlighter. I'm not going in with any concealer, and because my skin has been so dry, I'm not going to set anything with powder. I am going to set it with a setting spray, and that's basically it. I'm not going anywhere. I have an appointment at 3:30, but that's just for my wax. That's not even like anything special, so I'm not even worried about it. So another thing that was going on during this time that I have been MIA is the fact that my fiance and 2 of my children were sick. Now, if you have a fiance, if you have a boyfriend, if you have a husband, you know that when men get sick, they are worse than babies. So having a sick fiance and 2 sick children was so draining on me. I'm surprised I even made it out alive. Now, the only 2 people that did not get sick was me and my oldest son. But other than that, everybody else in my household was sick, which was so frustrating. I never felt so drained in my life. I was literally doing every single thing. And at times I already feel like I do most of the stuff, but I was doing everything. And I was just like, I can't. I was about to run away. But I'm happy to say that everybody is better now. Thank God, because I did have to miss a couple days, and me missing a couple days, you should already know. Some professors just are not that understanding, unfortunately, and it's really been stressing me out and taking a toll out on me, and you know, it is what it is. So I did go ahead and set my face. Now, to be 100% honest with you, I'm not sure how I feel about this lipstick with this look, but I am just going to leave it on. If anything, I'll just take it off before I go to my appointment. It's not a big deal, but I'm just so happy that I actually got the time to sit down and film with you guys. I'm sorry if I didn't put so much information out there. I'm sorry if you thought it was something bigger than what it really was. It's just that school has been really kicking my behind with field work and making lesson plans and papers and all this stuff, and sometimes professors that are not too understanding. It is so stressful. I cannot wait to be done with this part. Unfortunately, I am only working on my associate's degree right now, so I still have to go towards my bachelor's and my master's, but I just want to be done with this part. I'm so close, but yeah, so far, and feel like I'm moving like a turtle. I literally feel like I take 2 steps forward, 8 steps back sometimes. But you know what? That's life, and you just have to keep on pushing. Just gonna end this video with a thank you so much for watching. Thank you for every single one of you guys who have stayed subscribed to me. I really appreciate the support. I am hoping and praying that I can find a balance in between where I can at least still post 2 videos a week at least. My goal is to do 4, but sometimes, you know, you just have to realize, like, your goals are a little bit too big for what you can do at the moment. It's not saying it's not impossible, but it is what it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.